And those are really all of the things that my locks made me think about. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani and I talk about locks and lifestyle. I recently moved, so I'm still trying to figure out where I want to record. So I know like the background looks different and the sun is really beaming in my face. I thought that this was gonna be a good spot, but we're just gonna go with it because I need to get this video out. But before we fully jump into the video, I just wanted to give my business a shout out. I am the owner of Glow with Throw Fitness. It's a personal training business. I offer in-person training in LA. I offer virtual training via FaceTime or Zoom. I offer online fitness programs. So like if you don't want to do one-on-one, you can just purchase an online fitness program, download it and keep it forever. And I offer shapewear. Everything is going to be in the description box below and you can use the code YouTube for some money off. All right, now for the reason that you actually clicked on this video, your girl hit 2 years locked. I feel amazing about it. Y'all know how good I feel on this journey, but it is just, I don't even have words. I'm just very happy to be at 2 years. I feel very grateful to have been on this journey. I learned so much about myself, which I'll get into near the end or middle of this video, but I've just learned so much about myself and this has been an amazing journey. I wanted to start off by saying that. I know the lighting is a little crazy, but I know I look a little bit different because I went to a loctician for the very first time in my loc journey. If you've been subscribed or you follow me on Instagram, you know that I started my locks by myself and I started posting content about it on day 5. So I've been recording my journey since day 5 of my loc journey and I've never let anybody touch my hair. So everything that I've done has been trial and error. I watched YouTube videos, I watched TikTok videos or Instagram content, but essentially I have done everything myself and I kind of prided myself on doing it myself. Visiting a loctician was not something that I ever considered doing, but it's not something that I never considered doing. It's just something that never really popped up into my head because I've always done my own hair. Even before I had locks, when I was a loose natural, I did my own braid outs, I did my own protective styles. And if y'all like really was rocking with me beforehand, y'all know that I had or still have a hair business where I was doing hair. So like I was always the hairstylist, so I never let anybody touch my hair. But I had been following this loc page for a while and they said that they were doing a pop-up in LA. So I was like, you know what? Treat yourself to something nice. You don't always have to do everything yourself. And that's something that I've been unlearning for like the past year. You don't always have to do it yourself. And I think that I've prided myself on doing everything myself, not even just my locks, anything. I'm like, oh, I can do it myself. I do it myself. And it makes me exhausted sometimes to always be that overly independent Black woman. And so I told myself for my 2-year loc anniversary that I would not do it myself, that somebody else would take care of me. And I was okay with that. And I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it. But as y'all can see, my hair is fire. My retwist has never looked like this. No matter how good I've done it, it has never looked like this. And so I will be going to a loctician from now on. Maybe not all the time, but most times. People are so loud outside, but most times, or maybe majority of the time, I don't know, I'm gonna start going to a loctician. I found one in my area and I'm very excited. I was a little nervous because I remember watching this video was it some years ago? It might've been like last year, of this girl and she went to go get her locks done and the loctician made her feel very weird, but my loctician wasn't like that. And when I did bring that up to her, because like for some reason I was apologizing a lot. I was like, oh, I'm sorry that my parts may not be like this and just all this other stuff. And she was like, girl, like I'm not the type of loctician that's going to shame you. Everybody's locks are different. And I was like, okay. And that made me feel really safe and it made me feel comforted. I am tender-headed, so a few things did hurt, but she tried her best to be soft. So this is your sign. If you have been thinking about going to a loctician, make sure you're going to one that you've researched, but just try it. I really enjoyed even saying, oh, I have to go get my hair done, because I haven't said that in so long. It just felt good. It almost felt kind of like a luxury that I was giving myself. So I'm definitely going to add that to my self-care regimen. it just made me feel good. But moving on, in month 23, I told you all that I was done putting oil in my hair, and that still stands today. I have not put oil in my hair in a little over a month, and this is the best that my hair has felt, and this is the best that my scalp has felt. I haven't been dealing with a lot of psoriasis. I do tend to like scratch and there are flakes sometimes, but not as much as it was when I was using oil. And so all that I've been doing is steaming my hair, and I do that by taking a very hot shower, or I'll go to the steam room at the gym and steam, and it gets all in my hair. But that's literally all that I've been doing. I haven't sprayed my hair, haven't done anything. Like, I've literally been steaming it basically every day because, you know, take showers every day. I'm at the gym all the time. And that's all I've been doing, and I feel great about it. Overall, month 24 wasn't any different than the previous months, but I still like to give a Loc update. But that was it. I feel amazing. I am very proud of myself for sticking with this journey. Not that I wasn't going to stick with it, but I'm just so proud of like myself. Woo, the sun. I'm just so proud of myself. I'm so proud of everything that I learned. I'm so proud of me documenting my journey and helping you all start your journeys and navigate your journeys. I just feel very blessed to be in this community. This is the most beautiful that I felt in my life. This is the most comfortable that I felt with myself. And I've just really been on a healing journey and a self-awareness journey and a self-love journey. And I won't say I owe it all to my locks, but my locks definitely helped me, because when you, I guess, go against the beauty standard and people are looking at you like you're a statement, and this is literally just your hair, but like they think like you're making a statement with your hair and you're just different from the societal norm, it really teaches you to dig deep within yourself and truly love yourself. Not that I didn't love myself, but you know, maybe you might be the only one with locks. You might be the only one with natural hair, and that's something to get used to. And it takes you on a journey of like, who am I? Do I really like myself? Am I okay with being different? And those are really all of the things that my locks made me think about. I don't have any regrets on this journey. I love this journey. I wish this journey to everybody. I wish everybody could have locks. I know that it's not possible, but I wish this type of healing and this type of love and this type of like hair connection to everybody. All right, that was it for the video. I will be filming a 2-year Q&A. So if you have any questions about locks, please leave them below so I can actually have some questions to answer. And if you want to see a certain type of content about locks or about lifestyle, leave that below too, because sometimes I run out of ideas and it would be helpful to have some assistance. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with a friend, follow me on all the socials. That'll be in the description box, and I will see you in my next video.